Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Kev.
And
we're the Klar brothers.
Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Brother, what do we got going on tonight?
Oh, we got something really special tonight. But
Oh,
first, I
boy.
want to tell everybody how they can get a hold of us if they want.
All right.
Check us out on YouTube. If you're not watching on YouTube right now,
YouTube.
and hit the like button, turn on the notifications, actively subscribe, all that stuff you got to do to make sure you don't miss a moment of this hilarity.
That's right, because I get to pick on my brother and you get to hear it. All right, so we got tonight some Asian fusion thing.
That's right. It is. It's a fusion of Asian. Fusion of Asian. Thai tacos is what we're calling it.
Wow.
That's short for it's going to have a little, it's going to be a lettuce wrap instead of a tortilla. We're going to have a little chicken, and we're going to have your typical taco seasonings, and we're going to cover it with peanut sauce. It's going to be yummy.
So it's got to meet our criteria, brother. Is it simple?
Oh, yeah.
Is it tasty?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, that meets our criteria. Got to be super simple.
Yeah.
Even a bro can do it,
That's right. Even a dude can make it. Even Ken.
Right.
Even Skinny Kenny can do it. So
hey, we got to tell them about our cups.
Oh,
we
right.
had some people out there, some of our favorite followers. They sent us a little swag, and we want to tell you about it. Look at it; it's even got our logo on there.
It's got our logo and then my name, Skinny Kenny, right there on it.
Thanks, Maggie and Janny.
Yeah.
You're awesome. Send them our way.
And if you want to send us something as a gift because you're a fan too, hey, let us know and we'll send you the address. You can send it over. We'll never turn anything away. And we'll give you a little on-screen credit at the same time.
That's right. So without further ado, we're going to pull our ingredients out. We'll be right back, and we're going to show you how simple and tasty this recipe will be.
That's right, baby.
Can you hear that?
Oh.
That is the grill sizzling
Oh,
away.
I thought
It's
you were
ready.
talking about your voice. I can't stop hearing your voice.
It's ringing in your ears. Always ringing in your ears, huh?
My
All right.
brother likes he likes the fire, so he's got to have
That's
the
right.
barbecue going.
So we're going to go through our ingredient list here real quick so you can see how easy this is to build a simple, tasty recipe. We're starting off with our chicken breast. We got 6 of them here. We seasoned them up with Montreal steak seasoning. They do make a chicken seasoning, and we're still looking for that endorsement from McCormick's.
That's right. Are you listening?
And then, instead of taco shells, we're going healthy. We are using a living butter lettuce. The beautiful thing with this is it is in fact living, right? And you can pull a leaf off of this thing, and you got your taco shell. Nice big old taco shell.
Yeah,
Pretty
that looks
cool.
amazing. And then the secret sauce is the peanut butter sauce, right? And it couldn't get simpler. So equal parts of PB2 powdered peanut butter and Walden Farms calorie-free Asian dressing.
Where do you find this BB2?
You got to look in the peanut butter section for that, baby.
Okay.
Yeah. And you got to look in the refrigerated section for this. It's actually near the vegetables, where the vegetables are, which is kind of cool.
Right, and then we top it all off with your fave.
We got a little paste picante, medium size, or medium style, because we like a little spice with our tacos. And we also got some guacamole, we got pico de gallo, and we got some onions.
And all this stuff was prepped for us. We didn't prep any of it. We got it right out of the market. Because that's the way the Bistro brothers roll, right?
That's right.
All right, so with that, we're going to throw this on the grill. We'll be back before you know it, and we'll show you how to build these bad boys.
Let's do it. Wow, buddy. Nice work.
Look. So let me walk you through this, because this is not super tough, but there's some little tricks. Some Brother Bistro
That's right. We want to make sure you're in the
know. Chicken's supposed to be cooked at 165 internal. So on my little Rectech out there, Gucci thing, you can put the probe inside. Instead of using the thing that we had before, it actually tells me what the temperature is inside. I always stop at about 5 degrees before it hits that 165 because it keeps cooking when you take it off. Because what's the worst thing you can...
You mean that chicken right there is still cooking?
Yep. What's the worst thing you can do to chicken?
Overcook it.
Make it dry. It gets all dry, right? Yeah, it's terrible.
Good.
We don't want to undercook it either.
Yeah.
But just a few degrees short, and then it'll keep cooking while it's sitting.
The best thing you can do for chicken? Bring the Brothers Bistro.
So we're gonna build ourselves some tacos. So what are we gonna do here, brother?
Okay. So first thing you want to do is get your leaf, your little
My
taco
little leaf is
shell,
there, right?
And get a little of this here. You can do it either way, like he's doing it with a knife and a fork, or like I'm doing it, kind of using my thumb.
I'm gonna put a little bit of. Can I put a little bit of this on there, or what are we putting on?
Yeah. So wait,
Pico
slow
de
down,
gallo?
wait for you. Slow down, wait for me, will you?
My brother's always slow. I gotta speed him up.
We're starting with the pico de gallo. So you
put a little bit of pico de gallo
of that on there. Then you put a little onion on.
This is a little bit like a fruit salad. If you're not careful, you can have too big of a thing here.
And then you salsa, a little salsa.
Okay.
And then you might need a spoon for this part.
Okay.
A little guac.
Guac, all right.
Guac on there.
And then our favorite part.
Whoa. Before we do that.
Oh, that's right. We got to put our Thai
We
dressing.
gotta put the dressing on there. So I'm just going to drizzle a little on the top there.
All right, let me take a little bit of that. Look at that. It turned out pretty good. It's like a little peanutty.
Equal parts
Goodness.
PB2 and
and
the seasoned dressing. And now we cheese it up, baby.
Here we go.
Make sure you flex your forearm.
All right.
No,
So let's try this bad boy. What do you think?
Okay.
Hopefully it'll hold it together. Wow. You stuffed that whole...
Pretty good, huh?
Oh.
It's got a nice little hint of peanut butter. Excuse me. Peanut butter.
Talk with your mouth full?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I do, pretty much.
Yeah. So, guys, you got to try this. It was super simple. The thing that took the longest was cooking the chicken. Chicken's super simple. Just put it on the grill. The Rectec's nice because you can set it at about 400 and just let it cook for about 25, 30 minutes until you get that internal temperature. Build your little taco and you're ready to go.
Yeah,
super simple.
And minimum prep otherwise. I mean, everything else we bought was already chopped in the fridge, in the grocery store, and just put it on top. Make yourself a taco bar. It's great. And if you do this, let us know you did it. Send us a picture or post a comment in the post and let us know how you like it.
Yep. With that, Brothers Bistro out.